Hey, what's going on? And welcome to this video of my review of the SEO Master Bootcamp. Now, some of you might be like, well, why are you reviewing your own product, right? And that's a very good question, but the answer is several reasons. Number one, a lot of people want to see the inside of a product before they buy. And so that's what I would like to show you is what's inside the bootcamp so that you can see for yourself that it's legit, that there's videos in there and things like that. Number two, because I'm the product creator, I'm the best suited to explain it in a way that's understandable, because people who have been through it, who are just making a review to get some YouTube traffic or things like that, which we have had students do that, so you can look up other reviews on the site, may not have a good kind of understanding of everything in there because they may not have gone through every video yet. And so that's another reason why I'd like to do this review. Now, what's in it for you? Why should you watch me review it? Well, at the end of this video, there's actually going to be a $50 off coupon that will allow you to save $50 off the purchase of the course. So if you're interested in that, you can just jump to the end of this video, or you can just stay tuned and watch along with me as I show you this course. So with that being said, let's switch over to the computer and I'll see you there in just a moment. All right, so if you click the link in the video description, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. This is the sales page for the SEO Master Bootcamp. Now, you can buy the product by clicking on any of these red buttons throughout the web page. And if you're a member, you can actually log in at the bottom. I'll show you. There is actually a members login. So you can actually click this to log in, and it'll take you to a login screen for the course. There's also a live chat, so you can ask me and my team any questions you have about the course, and I will respond. Usually I'm online, so 99% of the time you can actually catch me live, but if I don't see your chat, or if it's after office hours, I will respond to you via email within 24 hours if you have any questions. So let me go ahead and actually show you what everyone wants to see, which is the inside of the course. So this is what it looks like when you're a member, and this is what the inside of the course actually looks like. And so you can see there's multiple different courses inside of the SEO Master Bootcamp. So you actually have the private Facebook group, which is a feature only available for people who purchase the course. So it's an exclusive Facebook group where we answer every question students ask. You could also get support from other students as well, or people who are going through the course who maybe are a couple steps ahead of you. So that's a great resource, and I'll actually show you what the Facebook group looks like. So this right here is the Facebook group. You can see we're almost at 100 members. For some reason, I would say about 50% of the people who buy the course join, because a lot of people don't have Facebook accounts anymore. So it's totally optional. You don't have to join, but this is what the Facebook group looks like. And you can see there's a lot of activity in here. I'll just go to the main page where people ask questions. And as you can see, every single question in here actually gets a response. And I also post updates. Like I actually recently got rid of local SEO Shuriken, since it's just inside the bootcamp, because I'm trying to push everyone into one course. And so I was actually giving people who were already Shuriken members free access to the bootcamp. So I always take care of everyone in here, and I work very hard to make sure that people get quality, helpful content, and lessons and things like that, and support. And most importantly, again, answers to their questions. So you can see we're pretty good at answering questions that people have in here as well. But back to the bootcamp. So this is the bootcamp right here. We currently have 187 lessons. And the cool thing is the members area will actually keep track of your progress. So as you go through, it'll actually remember where you are, which is really handy, right? So for example, if you watch like 2 videos, right, and you log in again, it'll put you right after those 2 videos that you watched, which is really, really nice. So you have the exclusive tools, like the rank tracker tool that is exclusive for our students. It has some really useful features that other rank tools don't have for some reason that boggles my mind. And then we have the Rank Now Blueprint, which is a book. So you get the ebook and you get the audiobook. And this is like the complete step-by-step checklist of what to do with SEO. And the cool thing about this is we are always adding updates. So you can see I'm actually adding a brand new lesson here in course in here and on how to actually self-host your websites. So you basically can get dedicated hosting for free. So you get better page rank speeds and things like that. It's really cool. People have been really loving that. So we always add new content. It's every day we're adding new videos and things like that in here. Almost every day, obviously holidays and things like that. But I'll show you what the Rank Now blueprint looks like. So you click here, and each lesson, when you click on it, will open up, and you can see you can actually navigate the left kind of sidebar in here, so you don't actually have to scroll through, and everything can drop down for you, so you don't have to be overwhelmed. But if you click here, you can see you can access the ebook here. So there it goes. So you can see we have the book in here as well. And this has checklists and everything, and it covers everything you need to know step by step about how to do SEO effectively in methods that just work really well, and they're easy strategies. So that's that. There's also the audiobook version as well, which is included. And one thing I don't know if I mentioned is that the SEO Master Bootcamp has all my products in one place. You get literally everything, including lifetime updates. You also get the certificate on completion, which is a LinkedIn compatible certificate, which shows that you've had training in this stuff. So everything's in here, and we can go back to get to that other screen by just clicking on right here, and we can actually go ahead and get back to this page. Now, some of the courses do have quizzes, so you can actually click and do the quizzes, which is really cool. Because I want to make sure people are actually absorbing the information. So you can see there are quizzes here for you. As it goes, the quizzes do get harder. So as you go into the course, there's going to be some with like trick questions and stuff. But I usually try to keep it easy, so they are multiple choice, as you can see here as well. And so if we go back, it's really that simple. Right now there's 16 hours of video content in here. I'll actually kind of just show you what one of the videos look like. So if I go through here to click on this is what it looks like. You can see you can just play the video, and then you're good to go. So it's really, really easy. Like I can go through cleaning up WordPress. I can go to this video. We could just click play, and there you go, just like that. So it's very, very easy to go through, and all the videos are in 1080p HD, as you can see. You can also full screen, make it bigger, just like that. Super, super simple. Now, we are adding a lot of things all the time. We have bonuses in here as well. We also have some next level strategies, and we do have interviews too with myself. Hopefully we're going to work on, our team's working on trying to get some of the big names to do interviews, so that we'll have those in here as well. There is a crash course that you can go through first, which covers kind of the essentials that you need. Now this course is free on our website, but it's here just so that you can have everything in one place. But everything else in here is not free. That's the only thing that's free somewhere else. So you have Content Shinobi, which is a content marketing course. It walks you through, content strategies like writing blog posts, creating articles and things like that to actually drive traffic to your site. Local SEO Shuriken is more of like a local SEO course. So that's about how to show up first with Google Maps, right? So if you have a small local business, or you have a location relevant business where it matters, like if you show up for people who are doing like near me searches, then that's something that you're going to want to check out in here as well. We also have Email Marketing Enigma, because one of my gripes with a lot of SEO courses, right, is that people always teach how to, get traffic, but then they never teach you what to do with that traffic. And so Email Marketing Enigma teaches you how to actually turn those visitors into revenue and profit. So through things like email marketing, capturing that lead information, right? Building a list, building an audience of people that you can market to. So it really is the complete package. And we're actually working on recording Local SEO Shuriken 2.0, which is really cool, where we're going to be working with real students in the group and actually ranking their websites. So that's really, really exciting. So there's a lot of value in here. I've tried to give as much as I can for the price, to justify the price, which may be going up in the future, but it's very, very affordable for 160 training videos and lessons. There's more than that actually, in 16 hours of HD training content. So with that being said, that's kind of the inside of the SEO Master Bootcamp, and the live chat's also in here as well. So you can ask questions anytime you need answers, or you're confused about something, you can just reach out via this, or of course you have email support as well, and we do have the Facebook group for students as well. But with that being said, that wraps up this review. And before I leave, as promised, I'm going to be giving you that coupon code that you can use if you'd like to snag the course at a discount. So if you want to get the course at a discount, you can use the coupon NINJA30, so Ninja30, and it'll actually take $50 off the price of admission for you. So you can actually snag the course at a nice discount, save some money, and kind of reward you for watching this review. I appreciate your views. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Please like the video, leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the course. More than happy to answer those for you. And until next time, be safe, and I hope to see you soon. Like and subscribe if you want to become an SEO ninja.